of you may know, my name is Miss Angie. I primarily work with the beautiful butterflies and the lovely ladybugs, but from time to time you may see me helping out with the other classrooms and with Cougar Club as well. But for today's video, we are going to make a tutorial on how to make a Tucker the Turtle puppet. So I made it one of two ways. So you could make it with the head facing forward or with the head facing up. As we begin this lesson, we are going to need a few materials. First things first, we're going to need a white paper bag. I believe the bag's at Walmart about $1.69 for a pack, so that's pretty cheap. The second thing you'll need is a pair of scissors, Elmer's glue, and you can find this at the 99-cent store as well. And then you're going to need to download two images. So the first one is the outline of a turtle, and if you don't like this one, you could always go on Google Images. And then the second one is the image of a turtle shell. So we are going to be cutting this out and leaving the body. Watching the video, everyone. This is the result of today's tutorial. I hope you and your family really enjoyed this video. And as I said, there are two different head placements for your turtle. So for the first one, you can face it forward and you can make it top, or for the second one, you can make it top like that. So really, it's up to you and your child, and thank you for your time.